cup, get your tits sucked. In my makeup, face fuck, get your bake up. Fake love, fake tough, niggas dicks up. Get your six up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up. Get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. They suck, that's tough, nigga, pay up. Get your rates up for the motherfucking princess. But she mean she freaky, kinda lingus, Dalai Lama, Dolce. Cooler than a fan, but she get hotter than the sauna. Take a trip out of Japan and I tsunami her vagina. Wanna down a Benny Hunter. I'm the new hip hop Madonna. I'm the new hip hop Madonna. I'm the trap Grace Jones. I don't know what type of motherfucking crack they own. I'm like Carrie Bradshaw with a back brace phone. I been carrying you bitches now for way too long. Black bitch, purple cunt, stack chips, smoke a blunt. All beef gets smoked. I'm a real fly bitch, you a coach hoe. I'm a real bite bitch, very close hoe. She was talking on the net, she wanna approach though. I got these bitches white face, you a ghost hoe. You a bitch, you stand on a post hoe. Suck it up, stand up, say that shit with your chest. You bitches rocking over bones, I got digits to fetch. I can't do bitches, I'm too busy, I don't deal with the press. You the type of hoe to leave a broke nigga impressed. You look a mess hoe, broke dick got you looking real stressed hoe. These broke niggas ain't cunt or fetch hoe. Stay up, stay woke, stay blessed hoe. You need a wake up, A cup, get your tits up. In my makeup, face fuck, get your bake up. Fake love, fake tough, niggas dicks up. Put your sticks up for the motherfucking princess. Rates up, jigs up, put your dicks up. Get your dicks up, put your motherfucking sticks up. They suck, that's tough, nigga, pay up. Get your rates up for the motherfucking.
I like this one. This is so tea, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all go book with her.
Period. Book me PCG Styles.
Bitch, Miss D.O.E. Don Dada, bitch, you know it's me. They like, don't you the Lulu, you a loose screw. She really giving cunt in that pussy voodoo. She's off the O.
Book with her.
Period.
And yeah. This is supposed to be a maintenance vlog, but I didn't do an intro for this video, so I just wanted this video to be hop right into it. I really like how she did my hair. This was my first time going to her. Well, I was creating content for her, and then I just got my hair done. And tea, super tea. I really like my hair a lot. Get into it. It's giving what it needs to give. And I did my makeup too. I think I went too hard on the blush, but it actually looks good with my hair. But yeah, it's okay. But my hair. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Bye.